Welcome to this amazing 3-bedroom/2-bath split-plan home in the New Haven subdivision. Open floor plan west/luxury vinyl plank in all the living areas, tile in wet areas. Kitchen is a baker's dream west/granite countertops, large island and stainless steel appliances. Oversized laundry room, pantry and mud room. Master bath has double vanities, separate shower and tub and his and her walk-in closets. Maintenance-free vinyl siding. Covered front and back porch. Bonus, there's a community pond you can fish in, and the home qualifies for USDA 100% financing.